Hi guys, we are going to practice some problems on finding the mean of absolute deviation. So our first step, we have to remember to find the mean of our data set. So we have 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 and 2. You're going to need to add that whole set of data up, and then we'll divide by the number of data. So you're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you should come up with the number 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So your first step is finding the mean of our data. So we found the mean of our data. The answer is 5. Now that we found the mean of our data, we're going to take each piece of data. You've got the number 2. You're going to take our mean, which is 5, and you're going to say 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So there's one of your first pieces of data. Your next number is 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Next piece is 7, and so on. So you're going to go 7 minus 5 equals 2. Next piece is 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then another 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Kind of sloppy. Sorry about that. Now we're going to add up 3 plus 4. We're going to find the mean of this data. Add up 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So let's figure that out. So 3 plus 4 is 7. That's 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. Woohoo, 18. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to erase all that. So I'm going to erase that. So we have some room. So now we have our new mean, which is 18. Okay, so our new mean is 18. We're going to divide 18 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to try and put in my answer, and let's check it to see if we're right. And we are. Now we've got another set of data. We're going to do this one now. Go ahead and erase this stuff. Okay, our first step, we're going to add our data set. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. So our total is 24 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 24 divided by 5. That's going to end up being a decimal. Okay. So 24 divided by 5. Let everybody figure it out. Mrs. Taylor's figuring it out too. I got 4.8. Hopefully everybody got 4.8. Okay. So now that I have 4.8, our next step is to find, I'm going to go here. 4.8 was my mean. Okay. So your next step is to take each piece of data and you're going to subtract 4.8 from it. That's kind of confusing, but we're going to try it. Okay, so 8 minus, oops, erase that, minus 4.8. Now I can't do that in my head, so I'm going to do it on a piece of paper. So 8.0 minus 4.8. I got 3.2. Okay, your next set would be 4.8 minus 1. That's pretty easy. I could do that one in my head. That would be 3.8. Next one is 8. Well, we already did 8, so we know what that is. We'll write it down, though. 8 minus 4.8. Sorry about this sloppiness, trying to use these tools. We know that's 3.2 because we've done it before. Next one is 4. So 4.8 minus 4. That's pretty easy too. That's going to be 0.8. 0.8. Ooh, running out of room. And then we have 3. 4.8 minus 3 equals 1.8. Okay, so we have our new data set. I'm going to do a different color. Our new data set is now 3.2, 3.8, 3.2, 0.8, 1.8. You have to add up all your data. So let's add it all up. I'm going to do it too. 3.2, 3.8, 3.2, 0.8, and 1.8. Okay, so 10, 20, 28, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12.8. My total was 12.8 once I added all of these up. Now I'm going to divide 12.8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12.8 divided by 5. Remember, we're going to end in a decimal, and it tells us right here we're going to round to the nearest tenth. So 12.8 divided by 5. Three, 0. I got 2.56, but we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Just going to give myself some room. 2.56. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. That 6 is going to push that 5, so my answer is 2.6. Let's check it out. Woohoo! There we go. So there's some practice for you. You can go back through. If you need any more help, let me know. I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can.